Hey, how you doing? Mr. Hollowpoint here at MrHollowpoint.com. We are here today at Wild Spirit Guide Service, hunting wild boar. Real hairy, big tusk Russian hogs. Today we are using big bore air rifles. That's what we're going exclusively for. This is the end of February, so the snow is deep, it's cold. It's around 10 to 12 degrees at night and about 20 during the day. And it is a real action-packed time. This morning's hunt, we were successful on a nice big pig. Very hairy Russian, big tusks. Pretty excited about it. What we were using today was this monstrous big bore air rifle. This is a 458 LA, built by Dennis Quackenbush. It's got an extra super long 36-inch barrel on it with a muzzle brake at the end, so we've got about 39 inches of barrel hanging out here, and makes it quite nice to point at almost any hog as they're running by. The stock on this was custom built, designed for me by Steve Coran, if I'm saying that properly. This gun has a Picatinny rail on it and a Cabela's Alaskan Guide Pro scope, which has quite a bit of adjustment, so it's very handy, considering it sits rather high. This gun we fill up with 3,500 pounds of air in this bottom air reservoir here, okay, and it shoots. What did I do with my bullets? Being Mr. Hollowpoint, I make my own 475 grain dead soft lead hollow point. This gun is pushing this 475 grain bullet just a fraction over 800 feet a second, which is giving us well over 600 foot-pounds of energy. That is, I believe, more foot-pounds of energy than a 45 long, a Colt 45, the old cowboy round. Very powerful. You get 3 good shots out of this, and it's a very nice handling, feeling gun. The way it works, you've got your loading port here. You put your bullet in, drop it in, push it up, drop that down, lock it into place. This is your charge handle. Pull it back, it locks in with the sear, and when you're ready to shoot, you pull the trigger, it releases that, hits the valve, air comes up, pushes the bullet out at a remarkably fast rate of travel. This gun is pretty much custom built. It handles fantastic, especially considering it's been about 22 degrees outside. Hog came in about 35 yards. Hit him in the head. He wouldn't give us, because the way the wind was blowing, he wouldn't quarter for us. So we took the shot behind the ear, and you'll see later in the video, it flipped that hog backwards and rolled him. He got up and ran a bit, and we put one in the side, and that was pretty much good night, sweet prince for that fella. The way you want to put air in this guy, being rather long, it is a little bit cumbersome. Most of the guns, I believe, come with around a 25-inch factory standard barrel. You have a carbon fiber tank. This is kind of like a scuba tank, but this is more like the ones that the firemen use. It's got a female quick connect on the side and a male nipple here. It goes on, snaps into place, tighten down your valve, open that, puts air in, 3,500 psi, shut it down when you're done. Excess air is released, so there's no air left in the little whip, and you are good to go. You've got 3 good shots, and this gun will bring home the bacon, as I will be bringing it home tomorrow in the cooler on the way back home. I'll bring you up to date on any other happening news. Thank you so much for MrHollowpoint.com here at Wild Spirit Guide Service. I'm hoping possibly to come up in the future and go after a nice black bear, since Dan does bears, bobcats, wild boars, and mountain lions. He's a full guide service. Thank you for your time, and we'll catch you later.